Well, good afternoon. I'm so happy to see you all. Thank you for joining. I'm sorry I had to switch the time last minute, but I appreciate you all joining me. I'm going to share my screen. Genesis, I see your thumbs up. Thank you. So just I'm going to keep everybody on mute. So let me put you all on mute right now. And then if you have a question or a comment, you can either give me like a wave, something like this to get my attention, or you can use the thumbs up, which is if you look on the bottom where there's the smiley face with the plus sign, you can press that and then give me a thumbs up like that. And then I'll know that you want me to unmute you. Let's see, Phoebe?
Are you gonna unmute us for like,
Oh, I can't hear you, sweetie.
Are you gonna unmute us for questions?
Let's see. I still can't hear you. I'm gonna see if someone else can unmute just to test my sound really quick. So let's see, Genesis, I'm gonna unmute you really quick. Can you say something so I can see if I can hear you? Looks like my sound is not working, so let me try something really quick. All right, let's see. Phoebe, can you try saying something again? Phoebe, can you try talking again to see if I can hear you?
Could you unmute us for questions?
I still can't hear what you're saying. Can everybody hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Well, I'm not sure what's going on, but I can't hear what anyone else is saying. But
Could you hear me now?
I hear what I'm saying.
Could you hear me now?
Let me try one more thing.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, let's see if this works. All right, let's see I'm gonna mute somebody, see if you can talk and see if I hear it. All right. Phoebe, I'm gonna go ahead and unmute you again. Can you try talking now?
Hello?
Okay, now I can hear you. Whew,
Could you unmute us for like questions if like we have a question?
Yes, so if you have a question, you can give me a thumbs up or give me a wave and I'll unmute you and you can ask me a question. Now that I can hear everybody. Thank you all for being so patient.
Could we raise our hands?
You could raise your hand like this, or you can raise your hand. There's a little button that says raise your hand and it looks like this. You can press that and then I'll see that you're raising your hand. So, alrighty. Well, thank you all for being so patient while I figured out the sound. I'm so glad I can hear you now. So I'm gonna share my screen so we can get started. Can everybody see the screen with the cartoon, Miss Sloan? Yeah, okay, good. So this is our virtual classroom. Our classroom is gonna look a little different when you get here in person, but that's what it looks like right now. So our morning message, although now it's afternoon, so our afternoon message is, today is a terrific Tuesday. Thank you for joining me on Zoom today. And we have our calendar. So yesterday was Monday, August 10th. So if yesterday was Monday, August 10th, can somebody help me with today's date? So let's see if anyone has a Hand up. Okay, I saw Vita's hand up in the air. So I'm going to unmute you.
No.
Oh no,
So,
she already
Vita,
asked
can
you.
you help me with today's date?
Yes.
Yes.
What's the date?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good. So we see it's Tuesday. And then if yesterday was the 10th, what's today? Do you
If
remember
yesterday was
what
the
comes
10th,
after 10?
what comes after 10?
The 11th.
11. Very good. So today is Tuesday,
I think you need to see that.
August 11th. Can you say the whole date altogether?
Yeah, there's your calendar.
Tuesday.
Sorry, do it again. Sorry, I messed her up. I was messing with the view. She can see the calendar now.
Tuesday.
Okay.
11th.
Very good. Today is Tuesday, August 11th. Thank you, Vita. All right. So, now we're going to have a little chance to unmute ourselves and share. So I'll unmute everybody here in just a moment and we'll take turns sharing. So for today's share, it's would you rather eat a taco or eat a nacho? Or eat nachos, and I'll go first. So I would rather eat nachos, and I would put a lot of cheese on there because I really like cheese. So I'm gonna unmute you all now, and let's see if I can unmute you all. I have to do it one by one. So let's see. Hey Zeus, what would you rather have? There we go. Oh, you're still muted, buddy. There you go. Would you rather have a taco or nachos?
Taco.
A taco? What do you like on your taco?
Cheese.
Cheese and lettuce and tomatoes?
No.
No, just the cheese? That sounds good. All right, thanks, Jesus. Let's see. Genesis, what would you rather have, taco or nachos? Are you thinking about it, Genesis?
Nachos.
Nachos? Yum. What do you want on your nachos?
Food.
Lots of food on there? Yum. All right, thank you, Genesis. Let's see, who do I have next? I have Kari next. What would you rather have, tacos or nachos?
Nachos.
Nachos, what do you want on your nachos?
Salad.
Some salad? What about jalapenos? No? I like jalapenos and lettuce and sour cream and cheese.
Oh yeah, sour cream too.
Sour cream? Yum. All right, thanks, Kari. Phoebe, what about you?
I would have nachos.
And what would you put on your nachos?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Like a
Yum.
lot of cheese.
Yeah, me too. I love cheese.
I can mute myself.
All right, thank you, Phoebe. Sophia, what about you? Do you know how to unmute yourself? Do you see the little red button on the bottom corner? Can you press that? There you go.
I want tacos.
Tacos, yum. What do you want on your tacos?
Lettuce.
Lettuce? All right, thank you, Sophia. All right, who am I missing? Oh, gotta go over. So I got, Vita. Vita, what would you like?
Tacos.
Tacos, and what do you want on your tacos?
Cheese and meat.
Cheese and meat. That sounds pretty delicious. Yum.
Damn.
Thank you, Vita. All right, let's see. Who am I missing? I'm missing one more person. And what about you? What would you like on your tacos? Oh, you got to unmute yourself, though. There we go. What would you like, tacos or nachos?
What would you like, Alyssa?
My laptop. Nachos.
Nachos. And what do you want on your nachos?
Cheese.
Cheese. Yum. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Thank you. All right. Next is the time for our weather report. So if you have a window, peek out the window really quick and check and see what the weather is. All right. So if you think it's rainy outside, give me a 1. If you think it's windy, give me a 2. And if you think it's sunny, give me a 3. See. All right, so we think it's sunny. So I'm gonna look out and yep, it's pretty sunny out there. And if it's cold, give me a 1. And if it's hot, give me a 2. Nice job. It is definitely hot outside because I just walked out there and it was hot. All right, and next is we're gonna practice doing our Pledge of Allegiance and then our AMS pledge since we do that every day. So first we'll do the Pledge of Allegiance. So you can either put your hand here on your heart or you can put it to your side, whichever you prefer, and I'll lead it and you follow along. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. And next is our AMSG pledge. So, same thing, if you want, you can put your hand here or you can put it to your side. I am a nighthawk, solid as a rock, working hard to soar through every open door. I am fierce, I am fierce, I am fierce. Nice job. I saw a lot of hands pumping in the air. So I'm going to get a volunteer to help me with this top part. So I'm looking to see if I see a hand up. I see Phoebe's hand up, so I'm going to unmute you there. So what was today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. And if
Chocolate
today
Tuesday.
is Tuesday, what was yesterday?
Monday.
Monday, very good. And if today is Tuesday, what will it be tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, very good. And we said the weather was sunny. Thank you, Phoebe.
I'll mute myself.
All right, thank you. Next, we have the days of the week. We're going to put them in order again. Who wants to help me with this? Ooh, I saw Kari's hand go up real quick. Kari, what comes
Monday.
Monday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Friday.
Friday is after Wednesday, but it's not right after Wednesday. I'll show you where Friday goes. Friday is right here. Do you know what comes before Friday and after Wednesday?
Sunday.
So Sunday is going to be here at the end. It's the last
Tuesday.
Thursday.
Oh, Thursday.
What comes after Wednesday?
Sunday. No,
Let's
Sunday.
look. So here's Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday?
Mm,
Thursday.
The other S one.
So we have Wednesday, Thursday.
Sunday.
No, you already have Sunday. Oh, I'm sorry. The teacher trying to teach. What's the other S one?
mm,
Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday, very good. Will you help me run through it again one more time? Will you say it with me? All right, you lead it.
Monday.
Day,
Tuesday.
Day,
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday.
Thursday,
Friday.
Friday,
Uh,
Saturday,
Saturday.
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 After Saturday is Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday. Nice job, Kari. Give yourself a pat on the back. That was awesome. Thank you. Okay. let's see, who wants to help me with the months? We can split it up. Someone can help me with the first half, then someone can help me with the second half. So I saw Jesus and Genesis, your hands were both in the air. So Jesus, I'm gonna have you help me with the first half, and then Genesis, you can help me with the second half, okay? All right, so Jesus, oh, you gotta unmute yourself though, buddy. So do you know what's the first month?
I just want to tell you, Wednesday.
All right, one second, Genesis, okay? So, Jesus, we're doing the months now. So I'll help you out. So the very first month in the year is January. Do you remember what comes after January?
March.
Well, March is over here, but there's 1 month in between January and March. Let's see if we can get someone to help us out. So Genesis, did you still want to help us with this? You can unmute yourself.
June, February.
February, very good. So we have January, February, March. What comes after March?
April.
April,
May.
May,
June.
June,
July.
July,
August.
August,
September.
September, very good. October.
October.
Do you remember what comes after October?
November.
November, which means our last month is December.
December.
Jesus, and thanks for helping us out, Genesis.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to skip over our stretch break. We'll do that in a little bit because we have to fit 2 lessons in. We have to fit math and ELA. So we're going to get started with our ELA lesson first. So let me plug something in so that you can hear the sound. Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to need someone to help me test my sound again. So let's see. Kari, I saw your hand go up. Can you try saying something to see if I can hear you?
Hello.
Okay, there we go. Thanks, Kari.
Okay, I'm sorry. How are you? This is Kari's grandmother.
Oh, hi.
Hi. He's trying to help y'all answer the answer, but you're going so fast, he don't have a time to respond.
And I know that you're like kind of like pressed for time.
Mhm.
But every time he get to answer it, you done went so fast. And he's still, you know what I'm saying, being out of school since March, he's taking a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? So I
Yeah.
just wanted to put that out. If you give him enough time, a lot of stuff he knows.
Okay.
But you're going so fast, so he feels like he's left out because you're not giving him enough time. I mean, he
Okay.
has his paper and pen and pencil right here.
Okay. I'm
So if you
sorry
could
about
just-
that, Kari.
Yeah, that's why I like I say, this is his grandmother,
Okay.
and I'm not even being able to answer it that fast.
Okay. I'm sorry about
So-
that, Kari. So I'm gonna keep if I see your hand up, I'll call on you and I'll unmute you so you can help me, and then I'll give you a little more time so we can work through that. But the months and the days and the calendar, that's something we're gonna do every single day. So I know it's
Okay, because
times.
we're just not working on him as far as the days.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we didn't know that he was going to have to know that, but we're working on him as far as the days.
We haven't even started on months, but we're going to get to that also.
Okay. And
Because you got to
you know what?
think, me and
That's
his
just
mom ain't been in
something
school in years.
Okay. Yeah, and we review that every day. So I think
Okay.
a lot of us it's been a long time since we've worked with that, and I'm not sure how much we do that in kindergarten. So we'll
Yeah,
do it
they
every
did.
day. Okay.
Okay.
We'll do it
Okay,
every
and
day, and then we'll just keep practicing and we'll get there.
Okay, one more question. When the next time is he going to have to log in?
So we do, Zoom is going to be every day from 10:30 to 11:30 we do math, and then from 1 to 2 we do the English sorry, I got that reversed. From 10:30 to 11:30 we do the English language arts.
So
And
we missed this morning class.
no, so I had posted a message on Dojo because I had to move the meeting to what did I move it to 12:30 because we had a training this morning. So I just started at 12:30 today, but for the rest of the days we start from 10:30 to 11:30 and then we do math from 1 to 2.
So he's gonna be, what time do we have to log in again today?
So we're gonna go all the way until 2 and then we'll be done for today.
Yeah, I wanna go all the way to 2, so it's like 1 now, right? Almost 1.
Or sorry, till 2. We'll be done at 2 today.
Y'all be done at 2. Okay, yeah, if you could just give him a chance to answer, because he's getting it, but when you hear the answer, you can move on. You know what I'm saying? You know.
Okay.
And I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so today for our ELA lesson, we are going, so remember, we talked about this yesterday, our objectives, those are our goals. So it's our goal for what we want to learn by the end of this lesson. So the goal for our lesson today is I will be able to identify the letters K, L, and M, as well as the initial consonant sounds. So initial consonant sounds means the first sound you hear in a word. And we'll be writing and sorting through those words. So I know that's a lot that I just said. And some of those words were probably confusing, but that's okay. Because when we finish our lesson, we'll come back and we'll check and make sure that we met our goal and that we learned all of those things. So for our warm-up, we did this a little bit yesterday where we had 2 sounds and we blended them together to make a word. So for example, if you hear the word or if you hear the sound al and then another sound phabet, and you combine them together, you get alphabet. So I'll do another one. Don, key. Put them together, donkey. So I am going to see who has their hand up. I think I saw Vita had given me a thumbs up, so I'm gonna unmute you, Vita.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
Okay.
So let's see, who wants to help me with a few of these? Let's see who has their hand up in the air. All right, I saw Jesus's hand first, then Kari, then Genesis, then Phoebe. So I'll go in that order. Jesus, you can unmute yourself. All right, so if you hear the sound, cam, put them together and what's the word?
Camera?
Cam,
Don't look at me. Go pay attention. Don't be shy. You got it. Camera.
Camera?
Very good. Nice job, Jesus. Thank you. All right, and who did I say was next? I think I said Kari. So Kari, you can unmute yourself. Friday.
Friday.
Very good. Thank you, Kari. Phoebe? Oh, you know what? I made a mistake on this here. Hold on. Let me fix this. Okay. Peppermint.
Peppermint.
Peppermint. Very good. Thank you, Phoebe. And Genesis? Helicopter. Oh, you're still muted, buddy.
Helicopter.
Very good. Helicopter. Thank you, Genesis. I think you're all getting the hang of that really well. All right, so next we're going to kind of do the same thing. I was going to ask our friend, Mr. Larry the Lion, to help me again. But if you don't want me to bring Mr. Larry the Lion, then I don't need to bring him. So give me a thumbs up if you want Mr. Larry the Lion to help, and a thumbs down if you don't. All right, I got thumbs up. So we'll bring Mr. Larry the Lion. So let me get him really quick because he was taking a little nap. So let's see where he is. Okay, here's Mr. Larry the Lion. Hi, class. How are you today? Hi. Thanks for helping us, Larry. So can you help us blend some words? Did you hear what we were just doing on Zoom? Okay, so I'm going to give you 2 sounds, and I want you to blend them together. So combine those 2 sounds to make a word. Do you think you can do that? Yeah, I can do it. Okay, thank you. So, shadow. What's the word? Shadow. Shadow. Was I right? Did he get it right? Yeah, thumbs up. Okay. Whew. Wagon. Wagon. Was that right? Okay. Noodle. Noodle. Was that right? Yeah? Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Larry the Lion. I appreciate it. Can you say bye to everybody? Bye. All right, thanks. We'll see you later. All right, we've got a few more that we can do, so I'm going to have a few volunteers help me again. Remember, we're taking 2 sounds, and then we're going to combine them to make a word. So I saw Phoebe's hand go up really quick, so let's see. Colors.
Colors.
Very good. Thank you, Phoebe. How about Sophia? I saw her hand go up in the air. Oh, but you gotta unmute yourself. Do you remember how to do that? Perfect. Numbers.
Numbers.
Very good. Thank you, Sophia. Jesus, you want to try another one? Here we go. Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. Kari. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Very good. Thank you, Kari. Genesis.
What?
Label.
Label.
Very good. Thank you, Genesis. And I'm sorry, I'm trying to get everybody's look through everyone's hands, but I have to look at all of the pictures, and sometimes I might miss you. So just keep putting your hand up if you want to have a turn at that. Okay, our next thing. We can all do this one together. So you'll still be muted, but we're going to use our fingers. So we're listening for how many syllables are in each word. So remember, the syllables are the number of sounds that we hear. So yesterday we clapped, and then we held up how many sounds were in the word. So like the first one, 15. That's 2 sounds. So I'll say the words. I want you to clap and hold up the number of sounds that you hear. So we'll do the first one together again. 15. 2. Nice. Summer. 2. Nice job. Wonderful. I see some 3s. A couple people are still thinking. Let's do that one again. Wonderful. 3. Nice job. Triangle. 3. Nice job. Volunteer. Very good. I see some 3s again. Calculator. Oh, that was a big one. Very good. 4. Calculator. 4. Nice job. Genesis, do you have a question? Do you have a question? I see you have your hand up. All right, I'm gonna put you back on mute then. Where am I at? Number. Very good. 2. Red. 1. Very good. Fantastic. Nice job, everybody. Everybody give yourselves a pat on the back. You all did great. All right. And now we are going to practice the letters, or we're going to listen to the letter sounds. Who can help me remember what sound the letter K makes? Jesus? The letter K, what sound does it make? What was it? Very good. Thank you, Jesus. What about the letter L? How about somebody who hasn't helped me out yet? Let's see. Do you remember what sound the letter L makes? Can you tell me the sound the letter L makes? Do you remember? Like Larry the Lion. Oh. Can you say it with me? Oh. Very good. Thank you. What about the letter M? Oh, Phoebe, I saw your hand shoot up into the air really quick. What sound does the letter M make?
Mmm.
Like delicious. Thank you. All right, so we are gonna watch a little video that tells us about the letter sound. So we'll start with K. Oh my goodness. That was really loud on my end. Great. Here we go. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear it.
Camera. Carlos has a new camera. When he takes pictures, his camera makes a clicking sound like this. In the garden, Carlos takes pictures of caterpillars crawling on kale. At the zoo, Carlos takes pictures of a camel, a duck, and a kangaroo. In the park, Carlos takes pictures of his cousin flying a kite. In his room, Carlos takes pictures of his cute kitten, Cozy. Can you help Carlos take pictures with his camera?
What sound does the letter K make? Very good. All right, one more time. What sound does the letter K make?
Now we have 2 letters.
Genesis, it's not a K, but it's a K. Do you hear the difference? Very good. All right, thank you, everybody. Put you back on mute. There we go. All right, and our next letter we are going to look at is the letter L, like Larry the Lion.
Lion. Look, it's Leon the lion. Leon loves to lap water from lakes, and this is the lapping sound he makes. Let's join Leon. Quick, take a little lick. Are you a thirsty lass or lad? Then lap until you don't feel bad.
Mm, 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 mm,
What sounds do you make when you lap like Leon the lion?
mm, 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 mm.
Vita, did you have a question?
Look it! I made letter L with my hand.
Very good. Hold on, Genesis. Vita, did you have a question? I saw your thumb was up. No? Okay. So, what sound? Everybody, what sound does the letter L make? Oh. One more time. I only heard, I think, one or two people. What sound does the letter L make? Oh, very good. Very good. And our next, oh, hold on, let me put everybody on mute again.
It didn't pop.
Mm.
Oops, sorry. Nope, I didn't mean to start that over again. Okay. There we go. Yes. So our last letter we are going to look at is the letter M.
Monkey. For Muzzy the monkey, bananas are yummy. She munches so many, they fill up her tummy. When she eats, she says,
Mm, 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 mm.
bananas for breakfast, bananas for lunch. Mash them up, mush them up, munch, 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 munch. What does Muzzy the monkey say?
Mm, 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 mm.
Bananas at bedtime. I have a hunch. Muzzy will mash them up, mush them up, munch, 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 munch. Then what will Muzzy the monkey say?
Mm, 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 mm.
Very good. Okay. And what sound does the letter M make? Let me unmute everybody. What sound does the letter M make?
Ma! Ma!
Mm.
Ma!
So Genesis, it's not ma, it's mm. Do you hear the difference? Can you show us how to say it?
Ma!
No, it's not ma, it's mm. Can you say mm? Very good. Thank you, Genesis. Okay. Oh, let me find my PowerPoint. Here we go. So next, we are going to practice listening to beginning consonant sounds. So beginning consonant sounds, that means we are listening to the very first sound that we hear in the word. So for example, in the word trip, trip, the first sound that we hear in the word trip is t, the T, trip. In the word sweat, sweat, the very first sound that we hear is s, sweat. So now I'm going to have you help me with a few more examples. So I want to see your hands up in the air if you want to help me out. I saw Jesus' hand go up really quick. So Jesus, what is the first sound that you hear in the word drop? Drop. D. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. Who else wants to help me out? I saw Phoebe's hand up. Phoebe, what about in the word prance? Prance. Prance.
Huh?
Prance. I know it's kind of hard to hear over the computer, but it's a p sound, like paper. What sound do you hear? Paper. Very good. And what letter is that?
P.
P. Very good.
I have to go
Thank
to the
you.
bathroom.
Okay. All right. And Kari, I saw your hand up in the air as well. Can you help me with the next one? Stare. Stare. What was the first sound? Very good. Thank you, Kari. Sophia, can you help me out? What about the word break? Break. What's the first sound you hear? Break.
Buh.
Buh. Buh. Thank you. Very good, Sophia. And let's see, Vita.
No, she can hear.
What about the word candy? What's the first sound you hear in the word candy?
Candy.
Very good. Thank you, Vita. So in your homework this week, we're not going to do it right now, but I want to show you what you need to do on your own. So on page, oop, let me find it. On page 17, so if you look down here, it's page 17. And if you have your packet, you can go to 17 and then give me a thumbs up when you're there. Thank you. I see 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. 5 thumbs up. 6 thumbs up. All right, I think we're good to go. So for this activity, you are going to look at the picture. So here we see some pictures with some words. So this first picture is tooth, tooth. So you are going to listen to the first sound in that word, tooth. The first sound we hear in tooth is t. And the letter that makes the t sound is T. So you can either write the word with your pencil, or if you have some scissors and glue and you want to try gluing it, you can cut it out and glue the picture there. But you are going to sort each of these pictures into the column with their initial sound. So let's do 2 together. Oh, I see a hand up really quick. Phoebe?
Do you know what's under pig?
Pig. Where do you, on this page?
On what page?
Are you on page 17?
I already, if you're talking about that cut one, I already did it.
Oh, you did it? Okay.
I lost my papers.
Oh, okay. That's
So
okay.
do you know what's under the line pig?
I don't know which page you are. Do you have a page number you can give me?
No, I actually left my, I'm at my house.
Okay.
And I went to my grandma's yesterday.
Okay, so your packet's over there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. You can just follow along and maybe you can help us if anyone needs help with this page. You did this one already, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Phoebe. So, oh, Jesus, I see your hand up.
Tell her it's an ice cube. It's an ice. You already unmuted it. Tell her so you can. Ice. The one
Ice?
under the pig. Tell her the one under the pig is ice.
The one under the pig is the ice.
so you can help your classmate.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. So Phoebe, did you hear that? Jesus was helping you. So he said it's ice or ice cube.
Ice, just ice.
Or ice. What page is that on?
It's on page 9.
Oh, 9. Okay, so let me go up to that.
It's the long I and the short I.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. So is this Phoebe, this is what you were looking at? Yep. So this is ice, this picture right here. So if you look the word bank, all of the pictures go along with the words. So igloo is right here. Icicles is underneath it. Do you see? Like the first row is going to match the first row here, and the bottom row will match the bottom row down here. Right.
Well, I did something else.
You did. Okay. That's okay.
We drew a picture of ice cream.
Okay. And
so we just
the
made
long
it
eye, or did you put it under long eye or short eye?
long eye.
Okay, so that's good. So you may have not used the exact pictures here, but as long as you put them under either long eye or short eye, then that's perfect. All right, so back to, what were we on? Page 17, let's do 2 examples together. So we already did tooth. So tooth starts with a t sound, which is the letter T. So we're gonna sort the tooth under the column with the letter T. The next picture shows a picture of a dog. Dog. So who can help me sort the picture of the dog? Jesus, I saw your hand go up pretty quick. First sound you hear is the word dog. D. And what letter makes the D sound?
D.
D. Very good. So we would write dog. We would sort it into the column that says D. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. Who wants to help me with the last example? Kari? So our next one is beetle. What's the first sound you hear in the word beetle?
B.
B. So what letter makes the B sound?
B.
B. So we would put beetle underneath the column for B. All right, thank you, Kari. All right, so now you know what to do here. In the next activity, it's pretty similar to what we were doing because we're listening to the first sound in the word, the initial sound. So here we have a picture of a ghost. Ghost. Phoebe, what's the first sound you hear in the word ghost?
G. G.
G. So you're going to look through these pictures. So we have a picture of a girl, pizza, vegetables, and a ring. So which one of these pictures has the same first sound as the picture or as the word ghost?
Hello.
Hi. So which picture has the same sound at the beginning as the word ghost?
Girl.
Girl. Very good. So you would either color in the picture of the girl, put an X over it, or circle it, whatever you want to do. Oh, sorry. There you go. You got to mute yourself again.
I didn't do that. I don't. Wait. What? Could you show me the paper?
It's the. Do you see the paper here with the ghost?
No.
Oh, can anybody else see it? No. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry.
You're showing us your other screen.
My other screen. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. No wonder you were probably also confused. I wasn't even showing you. All right, what about now? Can you see it? Okay, sorry about that. So you probably didn't see this page right here when I was looking at page 17? Well, now you can see it. So this is what I was talking about when we're sorting the words. You see this page? It's page 17.
I don't have my packet with me.
Okay, that's okay. You can just follow along with us. All right, so now that you can see it, let's go over it again one more time so it will hopefully make more sense. So we have tooth, T. So tooth, we would sort underneath this column with the letter T. And then we said dog started with the D sound, D. So we would put the picture of the dog underneath the column for D. Jesus?
I already did the tooth and the dog.
You did? Okay. And then we said beetle. What did beetle start with?
B.
B.
B. Very good. So we put that underneath the B. Thank you. I'm sorry about that, everybody. If I'm talking about a paper and you can't see it, can you all give me maybe try to get my attention, do this, or give me a thumbs up, and that way you can let me know and I'll try to fix it. That way you can see what I'm talking about. Thank you. Okay, so that's what you're doing for your homework for today. So now we are going to take a really quick stretch break before we do math. So let me find the video here.
Think about it. Sit or stand up straight. Take a deep breath and follow along.
All right, can everybody hear it?
Life can be messy. A morning at home can be rough. Getting to school and making it through lunch can be challenging. But you have to keep going. You have to shake off those yucky feelings. Your body can help. Shake your fingers. Shake, 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 shake. Stop. Now your hands, shake them like you've got them all wet and you want to shake them dry. Just your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Floppy, up or down, side to side, shake, shake, shake. Stop. Be mindful of your neighbors and get your arms into it. Raise them up. Now shake them off. Upper arms, forearms, and yes, fingers and hands too. Shake, 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 shake. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Feeling like you shook off something? You did. Help yourself move forward. Shake off those rough moments. Shake them off and move on.
Very nice. Whew, that felt good to shake everything off. All right, so let's get started with our math. Who is excited about math? I am. All right, so let me make sure that you can see what I'm. Could everyone see the video of the dog shaking? No? Oh my goodness, you couldn't even see the video? I'm sorry about that. It was supposed to be a video of a dog showing us how to shake. So let me make sure you can all see what I'm looking at now. So I'm going to stop sharing it. And then if we get through the math, I'll do the video again so you can actually see it this time instead of just seeing me shaking. Share screen. Here we go. Can you see me, my cartoon, Miss Sloan? Okay, perfect. So today we are going to count. We're gonna start on 1 and count up to 45. Oops, so we're gonna count up to 45 and we're counting by ones. All right, so I'll start it off and you all follow along. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Nice job, everybody. And you know what? I just found a mistake on our hundreds chart, which I need to fix. Let's see. Look on this line here from 21 all the way up to 30. Who can tell me if they see the mistake on that line? Give me a thumbs up if you see the mistake. Kari, do you see the mistake? I saw you give me a thumbs up. What's the mistake? On this line here.
30.
So
Go.
close. It's close. 30 is supposed to be there, but look right before 30. Do you see what that number is?
Yeah.
You know what number that is?
A 9.
So there's a 9, but do you know what the number is altogether?
39.
39. Does 39 come right before 30?
No.
No, that's supposed to say 29, so I need to fix that for tomorrow.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Oh yeah, of course. If you need to go, you can just go, okay?
Okay.
All right, good job, everybody. Our number of the day today is 12. Who can help me? Let's see, Sophia, can you help me with this one? Do you know what is 1 less than 12?
What's 1 less than 12?
11.
11. And what's 1 more than 12? What comes after 12? Oh, I think you might be frozen. All right. I think you might be frozen. So I'll come. Oh, there we go. Now I can hear you. What comes after 12?
13.
13. Very good. Thank you, Sophia. Genesis, what's 10 less than 12?
9.
Let's look at our chart just to double check that. So here's 12. What's 10 less than 12? So remember, if it's less, we're going back. So if we go back 10, what's 10 less than 12?
2.
Very good, 2. And what's 10 more than 12? So here's 12, 10 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 22.
22, very good. Thank you, Genesis. So this is 22. Phoebe, do you know if 12 is even or odd?
Odd.
So remember, if it's
Even.
very good, even. Because if it's odd, that means that we can't cut it in half. But if it's even, we can. So that looks like this. So here's 12, and we can cut 12 in half into 2 equal parts.
2 and then 1.
So there is a 2 and a 1. However, if we cut that in half, so let's see what that would look like. If we had 2 and 1, if we added 2 plus 1 together, what would we get?
21. 1 and then 2.
Well, if we add 2 plus 1, so if we have 2 and we add 1 more, we have 1, 2, 3. So that would give us 3. we need to get two numbers that combine and make 12. So that was a really good guess because you were right about that. Those are the numbers that are in 12, but we want to find two numbers that combine together to make 12. Let's see. Jesus, I saw your hand up. There we go.
If it was a 2 and a 1, it'll be 21.
So you're also right that if we have the number 21, there's a 2 and a 1 in that number. But if we combine 2 plus 1 and add those three numbers together, does that give us 21? Let's see. So if we have 2 and we add 1 more to it, we have 1, 2, 3. So we want to combine two numbers that will give us 12. All right. Thank you, Jesus and Phoebe. Those were really, really great answers. But I see Sophia's hand is up, so I'm going to unmute her really quick and see if she can help us out.
6 plus 6.
Very good. 6 plus 6. So if we have, thank you, Sophia. If we have 6 plus 6, that is going to give us 12. So let's look at that with our cubes. Can everybody see my cubes? There's a blue, red, and green cube. No? Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me try this again. How about now? Can you see the cubes? Perfect. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we have 6 cubes, and we add 6 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're not joining. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have, these cubes don't want to join together. There we go. So we had 6 blue cubes and we added 6 red cubes. Let's see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint now, which I'm sure you can't see, so let me fix it. Here we go. So if we have 6 and we add another 6 to it, then we have 12 all together. Phoebe, I saw your hand up.
Could I see the blocks again?
The blocks. Let's see. Can you see them? No? Okay, let me try this again. How about now? Can you see them?
Yeah.
So we had 6 blue ones and we added 6 red ones, and when we put them all together, how many did we have?
6 plus 6 equals 12.
12. Very good. All right, so we're going to go back to our PowerPoint.
I wrote it.
Thank you all for being so patient while I figure out how to use the computer. Here we go. Oh, Jesus, I saw you have a question.
When are we going to be done?
We have about 20 more minutes left.
Okay.
It feels longer today because we did do it a little bit longer today. But thank you for being so patient. Can everybody see the house with the Fact family? Yes. Okay. Oh, Kari, I see your hands up.
What question?
What was that?
Do you sleep at your school?
No, I don't sleep here. I stay
Oh.
till about 5 o'clock and then I go home.
And one more question.
Okay.
Do we do online classes tonight too?
No, just until we have 20 more minutes and then we're done. But then you'll come back tomorrow at 10:30.
Okay.
Is that it? Any more questions?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Phoebe?
Tomorrow's a busy day for me.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, because I need to go to the dentist
Oh, wow.
and get these 4 teeth taken out, or at least 2.
Yeah. It's always
Four,
good to go to the dentist. They help you so your teeth are nice and healthy. All right, let's get back to our fact family. So the numbers that we're looking at today for our fact family are 4, 8, and 12. So if we combine 4 and 8, what do we get? Genesis, if we combine 4 plus 8, what do we get?
12.
12, very good. Thank you, Genesis. And what if we switched that and combined 8 plus 4? Do we still get 12 or does the number change? Kari?
I think the number changed.
Does it? Well, why don't we try adding it? So let's try adding 8 plus 4 and see what we get.
So we keep 12 and then we 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's 8 again.
So let's look at that together. So if we have 8, I'm going to just make circles so that you can see it. Let's see. Can you see that circle?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say, because when we have 8 plus 4, that means we're combining 8 with 4. So that would mean we would have, let's say we had 8 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I was about to come out and tell you somebody was at the door.
7, 8. So, Kari, we have 8, and then we're adding 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's add 4 more to that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So why don't you add those all up together and tell me what we get?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Oh, very good. So did it matter if the 4 or the 8 came first in our number sentence?
It do.
Well, we look at the answer. Is the answer the same or different?
The answer is the same.
The same. So then did it matter if the 4 came first or if it came second?
It did not matter.
It did not matter. So if we look at our number sentence, we had 4 plus 8 equals 12. And then when we did 8 plus 4, it was still 12. What about if we start, thank you, Kari. What about if we start with 12 and we take away 4? Jesus, I see your hand up. If we have 12, so here we have 12 circles, and we take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have left? Are you still counting? How many do we have left over here, Jesus? We can count it together. 1, 2,
2,
3,
8,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many do we have?
8.
8. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. So if we switch those again, and instead of 12 minus 4 equals 8, we do 12 minus 8, what do you think our answer is going to be? Phoebe?
What?
So we have 12 minus 4 equals 8. So if we switch that and we do 12 minus 8, what do you think our answer is going to be?
So you have,
Look at the numbers in our fact family. We have 12, 8, and 4. So if we have 12 minus 8, what number from our family are we?
8.
We have 12, 8. What number are we missing from our family? Here's our family.
Well, could it be 4?
4. Very good. So if you look, thank you, Phoebe. So if you look at our fact family, we always have the same 3 numbers. 4, 8, and 12. Sometimes they switch, their order switches, but it's still the same 3 numbers. All right, nice job, everybody. We're gonna do this one really quick. We're gonna make 12 cents with our coins. So really quick, let's all together, I'm gonna unmute you. And then let's do our money chant really quick.
Could I see that again? The others.
The fact families,
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah. I need to see the last one.
OMG, man. Man, I was serious. Somebody listening. Now listening to me. The spinning images. Peaceful.
All right, so while Phoebe's writing, let's practice our money chant. Give me a thumbs up if you remember the money chant. Kari remembers it. Jesus remembers it. All right, so you can lead us today, okay? All right, ready, set, go. Pennies, nickels, nickels, dimes and
Quarters.
pennies,
Nickels.
dimes
And quarters.
Well, a penny is 1, and a nickel is 5.
5.
A dime is worth 10, and a quarter's 25.
5.
Pennies, nickels,
Nickels.
dimes and quarters.
Pennies.
Nickels,
Nickels.
dimes
And quarters.
quarters. Nice job, everybody. Thank you, Kari, for leading.
That was a funny sound. Someone make a grandpa sound.
Oops. All right, hold on. Let me put everyone on mute again.
It's slow.
Yes, Genesis?
Someone make a funny sound.
Well, we were doing the chant together. All right, so we know a penny is 1, nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter is 25. So if we want to make 12 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent, how many pennies would we need to make 12 cents? Jesus, I saw your hand go up.
A nickel?
Well, let's look at the pennies first. So a penny is worth how many cents?
1.
1. So how many pennies would I need to get to 12 cents?
11.
So 1 penny is 1 cent. If I add another penny, that's 2 cents. That's 3 cents. How many pennies do I need altogether to get to 12 cents?
What was the question, JJ? Sorry, I couldn't hear. I was in the room.
We have to make
How many are there?
one.
If a penny is worth 1 cent and we want to make 12 cents with pennies, how many pennies do I need?
12.
12. Very good. So let's count and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. How could we make 12 cents using a dime? Kari?
Put 12 dimes.
How much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
Okay. Okay, so let's try 1 dime first. Okay, so let's take 1 dime. So how much do I have right now?
One dime.
That's good. I have 1 dime. So how many cents do I have?
10 cents.
10, and I want to get to 12. So how many pennies would I need to add to get to 12 cents?
12.
Well, I'll help you out. You can help me out actually. So I'm going to add 1 penny. So now I have 10 cents plus 1 cent. So 10 plus 1 is
10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. More. 12. 12.
close. So if we have 10 and we add 1 to it, we have 11. But we do want to get to 12. So that was a good guess. So we're going to add 1 more penny. And let's see how much we have all together. So we have 10 cents plus 2 cents. So 10, 11, 12. So Kari, how many dimes and pennies do I need to make 12 cents?
99.
How many dimes do I have here?
1.
1. And how many pennies do I have?
2.
2. So how many dimes and how many pennies do I need to make 12 cents?
2 more dimes and one more penny.
Really close. I think you just flipped those around. We needed 2 pennies and 1 dime. Nice job, Kari. Thank you. All right. Next, we only have about 10 minutes left. I know it's a super long lesson, but you guys are being so great. So we've got one more thing to do. So in your homework, for math, on page 49, oh, you probably can't see it. Okay, hold on. So in your math homework, page 49, you will see something that looks like this with some boxes and some number sentences. And Phoebe, it's okay if you don't have your packet. You can just follow along on here, okay?
No, was the other one 12? Did I get this right? Wait, was the other one like 12 cents?
We were making 12 cents. Yeah.
You guys were trying to make 12 cents?
Mm-hmm. Using pennies and dimes. All right, so does everybody see this page here? Thumbs up. Jesus, nice. Genesis, you have a question?
8 equals 16.
Very good. Okay, so keep it open to this page, but we're gonna watch a quick video. So let me share my screen again so you can see it. And this is about this is about the doubles facts. All right. Does everybody see the screen? There's some music notes on there. Yeah? Okay. So this is called the doubles wrap. So if you look on your homework page, there's a box and it says doubles wrap, and it has from 0 all the way up to 10. And we're learning well, actually, before we watch this, what do you think a doubles addition problem means? Let's see. What do you think? Before we even get started, I just want to know what you think it is. Who wants to help me out? Jesus? What do you think it means when we're talking about doubles facts?
I think it's a song.
So we are we're gonna listen to a song, or we're gonna listen to a rap that's gonna help us remember all of the facts. Do you know what double means? Have you heard the word double?
Yeah.
What do you think that means?
2.
So 2 yeah, you have 2 of the same thing. So if we have 1 and 1, we have a double 1 because we have 2 ones. So in our video we're going to listen to right now, it's going to walk us through all of the doubles facts from 0 all the way to 1. So you can follow along on your paper while you're listening to this, okay? Can you hear it? Okay.
It's the double, baby. Here we go. Here we go. It's the double, baby. You can start with 0. It's the double, baby. Here we go. Here we go. It's the double, baby. You can start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay. It's the double, baby. Here we go. Here we go. It's the double, baby. You can start with 0. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's play. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20. That is 30. It's the double, baby. Here we go. Here we go. It's the double, baby. You can start with 0.
There we go. So that's just a little a wrap that's going to help us remember all of the doubles facts. So let me switch over so you can see. Can you see where it says doubles wrap and there's like a red box? No? Okay, let me try this again then. So this is the last thing we're going to do, and then we'll be all done. Oops. All right, share my screen. Okay, now can you see it? It's a red box, and it says doubles wrap. All right, so we're going to try this together, okay? So I'm going to unmute everyone so I can listen to you all. All right. So we're going to learn it together, okay? So repeat after me. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
It's the doubles, baby. Let's go.
It's the doubles, baby, and it starts with 0.
It's the double.
0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh.
0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh.
1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh.
1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh.
2 plus 2 equals 4. More.
2 plus 2 equals 4. More.
3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
4 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great.
4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great.
5 plus 5 equals 10. Again.
5 plus 5 equals 10 again.
It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
It's the doubles, baby, and it starts with 0.
It's a doubles, baby, and it starts with 0.
You guys are doing so awesome. Oops. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's 12.
6 plus 6 equals 12. That's 12.
7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean.
7 plus 7 equals 14. That's right.
8 plus 8 equals 16. Moonbeam.
8 plus 8 equals 16. Moonbeam.
9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean.
8 plus 8 equals 16. Jelly bean.
10 plus 10 equals 20. That is plenty.
10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty.
Nice job. That was a lot.
It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and it starts with a 0.
Nice job, Genesis. Genesis got this. You might have to lead us next time.
What?
You can lead us in the doubles rep next time, okay? All right. So that's just a song or a rap that you can sing if you want. You can listen to that video again if you want to remember the doubles from 0 all the way up to 10. And we'll look at this again tomorrow a little bit since we're running out of time. So we'll practice this tomorrow, and then we'll look at these doubles facts and talk about that a little bit more, okay? Sound good? All right, so we've got 1 minute left, so I'm gonna unmute you, and then we'll go ahead and say bye. And then I'll
tell you something.
Yes, Genesis?
Can we read a story?
Well, we ran out of time today, but if we have time tomorrow, we'll read a story, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Jen. Bye.
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 Can I watch?